Hello children, welcome back to PN Amasi e-learning classes. So children, today we will start with our grammar portion, chapter number 20, figure of speech. So children, open your book, take out page number 94, figure of speech, and today we will learn two type of figure of speech. One is simile and second is metaphor. Now children, on page number 94, there is a poem, Palanquin Barriers. We will only read that poem. Afterwards, I will explain you what is simile and what is metaphor. So children, let's read the poem. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of a song. She springs like a beam on the brow of the ride. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Written by Sarojini Naidu. So children, we have only read the poem. Now we will move to the definition of simile and metaphor. What is simile and what is metaphor? Now children, we will read the definition. See in the box below. That is the function of a simile. It gives us clear idea by comparing the unknown to something that is known. The words like and as are used to make the comparison. Now children, in a very simple way we will understand what is simile. A sentence which carries like or as. A sentence which have like or as, that sentence is said to be a simile sentence. Now, what is metaphor? Again, in the box, we will read the definition. A metaphor is very much like a simile. The only difference is that in a metaphor, the comparison is not obviously stated. Children, in a very simple way, we have understood what is the meaning of simile. The sentence which are having like and as is called simile sentence. Same way, we will understand in a very simple way what is metaphor. So, the metaphor sentence are having phrases and words in the sentence. So, the sentence which are having phrases and words are called metaphor sentences. Children, we will see the exercise also. So, in the exercise you will understand what is the difference between simile and metaphor. Question number 3. In the sentence given below, underline the figure of speech and state whether they are similes or metaphor. Now, with the sentence, you have to state that sentence is a simile or metaphor. Even you have to underline the figure of speech. So children, let's start with the first sentence. They speak as wisely as saints. So children, in the simile definition, we have seen the sentence which are having as or like is said to be a simile sentence. Yes, so the first sentence is a simile sentence and you have to underline as wisely as saints because this is the figure of speech. Second one, this book is as heavy as lead. So again, the sentence is a simile sentence because it's having as. Underline as heavy as lead. Third one, Mr. Jacob is a fox in the boardroom. Children, in the metaphor sentence, I told you that metaphor sentence are having phrases. So here it is the phrase given, fox in the boardroom. So underline fox in the boardroom and this sentence will be a metaphor sentence. Let us add more spice to the story. Again, the sentence is having phrase spice to the story. Underline that sentence, spice to the story, and write metaphor. Next one, I don't want to go to school, whined the little boy. Even I told you that metaphor contains phrases and words. Here the word is given wind for the little boy. So this sentence is also a metaphor sentence. Next one, King Richard fought like a lion and defeated the enemy. So again, children, I told you, if there is a like in the sentence, it is a simile sentence. Underline fought like a lion. It is the figure of speech and it is a simile sentence. Next one, even though he had been caught cheating, Nayan was as cool as a cucumber. Again, as is there, so it is a simile sentence. And underline as cool as a cucumber. Stop eating in the class, the teacher is looking at you. Hissed Maya. Again, the word is given for Maya, hissed. So it is a metaphor sentence and underline hissed. The cricketers' shirts were as white as snow when the game began. So children, here as white as snow, again as is there in the sentence, so it will be a simile sentence and underline as white as snow. Last one, the train snacked along the mountains and finally reached the station. So word is given for train, snacked, underline snacked, and this will be the metaphor sentence. So children, I hope you all have understood the figure of speech, simile and metaphor. I will give you the PDF also of this exercise. Just copy it down in your CW book. So children, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.